welcome back to a new video. So today we're gonna take these headlights out and put on some F80 style angel eyes. So first things first, car's in the air, we've got to get the front bumper off and headlights out, so let's get to it. Right, so the bumper's off. While I've got all this off, all this is so dirty here, so I'm going to give this a quick clean up, and then it's just a case of getting these headlights out. Hey guys, so I'm so happy with the finished product. It turned out so well. These angel eyes look absolutely awesome. I'll put the link in the description where I got the angel eyes from, so yeah, just hit that link in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting, man.